There you go, Cap. Damn, twin. What going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Santa Claus, nigga. It's fucking snowing, bro, in the A, bro. Is that not crazy to y'all, bro? It's just insane, nigga. This shit frozen. I would show y'all, but I ain't got time to show y'all boys all this shit. I just wanted to make a quick little smoke session in the snow, bro. As soon as I woke up and seen it snowing, I'm like, bro, I gotta spark up in the snow, bro. That's some shit I ain't never did before. And it's not even that cold outside, bro. Bro, please tell me I'm wrong. I really need to start going Instagram live, bro, so I can get more like, you feel me? Reach up on my channel and jump. Cause you can't go live on TikTok with smoking. They're gonna ban you. And I ain't got time for that. Hey, bro. It's literally 7 o'clock. I'm just letting my phone sit out here like this, not water. But look, bro, it's 7:31 in the horizon right now. And as y'all can see, bro, like, it's snowing, bro. Like, look at this. Look at all the snow of these houses, twin. That's just insane. Like, bro, look at the table, bro. Like, this is Atlanta, twin. It's snowing that. Damn, twin. Shit, I got on my glasses. It's snowing at the A, bro. Big ass ice cubes. This bitch just fell on my blind. But Dotto, bro, fuck going on with y'all boys. If you know, you know. Young nigga hit 400 subs. You feel me? On the road to 500 to 1,000, you feel me? But yeah, bro, small shit first. Appreciate y'all niggas for the 400. Give me the 500 ASAP. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, bro. And they ain't gonna cap, bro. This is an impulse ass video, so I really don't even know what the hell I'm finna be talking about. But I just had to come get this in, bro, because before they get the A, bro, it's like a once in a lifetime opportunity. The last time it snowed, it was like 2014, bro. I was a young nigga. If y'all for the A, bro, come in the comment section if y'all boys remember that. A lot of folks got stuck at school. I don't remember if I got stuck at school or not, though. I don't think I did. I ain't never got stuck nowhere, twin. Ain't gonna cap. And the fit is diabolical, twin. Yes, I go pajama pants, big coat with the jacket, denim tears, you feel me? Dark sword, cause it's OD cold. But Auto, bro, I'm out there bitch sparking early morning in the snow for y'all, bro. Like, this is insane to me, twin. I realize smoking in the snow, twin, like, y'all boys not grasping what I'm doing. I don't think y'all are. Let me not. Put that boy right there, right here. There you go, Cap. Damn, twin. It be colder on a regular day out there, bitch. I be way colder, twin. This just is crazy to me, twin. Like, it's real life raining. It's real life snowing. Like, it's snowing on my camera, twin. Like, bro, y'all niggas look at this shit, twin. Like, y'all nigga is literally in the snow, bro. Like, this shit is crazy. Like, the whole shit is covered in snow, bro. The table, all this shit is covered in snow, twin. And I'm facing that whole blunt. Hey, what's up? Hey, how you doing? Hey, nice. What's up? You come make this drink. Nigga, come meet face to face. Y'all boy don't know nothing about that. But nah, though, bro, like, I really don't know what the hell to talk about. Besides just knowing I'm fucking flabbergasted. For real.
Now you have to look at the camera.
Yeah, bro, it's giving Santa Claus, like, bro, it's giving North Pole game. Bro, imagine if when we went to the cabins, it was like this. That would have been OD, like, boy, I almost just fell. That would have been OD, bro. We went to the cabins in, like, 2023, bro. If it was snowing, that shit would have been OD for. Like, that whole little town is like a Christmas town, for real. Like, nigga, it was February. It would look like it was December. Like that whole. But bro, this shit is crazy. Like, do y'all see this shit just falling? I don't think y'all can just see it falling. Like, bro, this shit's at, like, bro, twin, I'm in the A, twin. I'm in the A right now, twin. Y'all niggas probably in Colorado or, where y'all niggas be watching me at? Nigga, that look like Miami, but it's raining. That's why I had to record for my fucking guys, man.
They're gonna be so surprised when you look up. That shit'll kill me.
Where was Mr. Board?
2017.
2017 is insane. So this is first snow day. But nah though, bruh, ain't gonna cap. I remember what I said about it not being cold. It's low-key cold, and I might have to put this shit up, bro, because it's snowing on my shit, and now the snow is melting on my camera. But bro, it's fucking snowing. What the fuck? Hopefully I got me a cool ass thumbnail. Hey, what's up, how you doing? Hey, what's up, how you doing, nigga? Come meet this Drake. Nigga, it's, no, bro, it is snowing like OD, twin. Like, I don't know if y'all boys can really split shit. It like, bro, if you from the A, like, bro, y'all know it be snowing, like, I ain't gonna say it just be snowing, like, it'll snow every so many years, but it won't stick type shit. Bro, this shit is sticking, like, bro, we actually see this shit, like, it done snowed so many times where it's like a little rain, like the shit will snow and it'll melt as soon as it hit the ground type shit. But this shit is like staying, twin, like this the real deal snow, twin, like, you feel me? This the goddamn, this the North Pole way, goddamn that way, you feel me? This Atlanta way, the real snow way, like, come on, man, this shit crazy, man. It's cold as fuck, though, out here. I said it wasn't cold, but it's cold, my hands getting cold. My mom wanted this, but damn. I would make a snow angel for y'all boys, but it's too cold, bro. And I ain't got no gloves. So I just got on my lip while I was smoking. This shit crazy though, twin. Like, it's real life snow to this bitch, twin. And then, here go everybody, they swear. They just swear, bro, I gotta wait till I see it. It's not gonna snow for real. They say that shit all the time. I swear it ain't gonna snow. They always say that shit. I gotta see it to believe it. What the fuck, nigga? It's snowing hard as hell, like, I ain't never seen nothing like this, bro. Like, dead ass. I remember niggas that wake you up because it's snowing. Man, wake up. You feel me? It's snowing outside. Get up, twin. Like, you feel me? Get up. It's snowing. Come outside. Let's go play. They lie. But I don't know. Just for y'all niggas that who ain't never seen snow, here y'all go, bro. You feel me? But nigga like me, bro, I barely see this shit, so it's like my first time too. OD excited. This shit cool as hell. I really should get off a fit pit today. But where am I gonna go with fire scenery and take pictures? But other than that, bro, it's your boy RT, man. Like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? And I ain't say spark up a blunt with me when I first started this shit, but now since I'm done smoking, if you wasn't smoking, smoke your blunt. But most of y'all niggas already be smoking. My boy Nas say he always got down roll up a blunt, watch the vids. Feel me? Y'all boy come in the comment section if y'all boy be smoking. What the hell do y'all be doing? Where y'all be at when y'all be watching my vids? I know I just be talking out the ass, but man, like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? I'll catch y'all boy in that vid.